Winter storm watch in effect from Monday evening through Wednesday morning. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches possible. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut, central, eastern and northeastern Massachusetts and northern Rhode Island. When, from Monday evening through Wednesday morning. Impacts include travel could be difficult. Heavy wet snow combined with gusty winds could bring down tree branches and result in power outages. Rain is expected to change to snow on Tuesday with snow continuing into Tuesday night. Snowfall and impacts will likely vary greatly with elevation. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Monday evening through Wednesday morning. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches, except 12 to 20 inches over higher elevations above 1,000 feet. Areas affected include the high terrain of western and central Massachusetts. When, from Monday evening through Wednesday morning. Impacts include travel could be very difficult to impossible. Heavy wet snow combined with gusty winds could bring down tree branches and result in power outages. Snow will become heavy late Monday night into Tuesday. Snow will continue into Tuesday evening before tapering off overnight. Snowfall and impacts will likely vary greatly with elevation. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. North winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Areas affected include eastern Essex, eastern Plymouth and Barnstable counties. When, from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Impacts include damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Here are the 9 a.m. observations.